here with you, and I'm here for an unboxing, but from a new company that have reached out to me, and it was for a product type of that I really love, and it has to do with sending letters and things. So let's check out what they sent me. The company's name is Craspire, and they have all kinds of beautiful things that are stationery type of thing related, as well as some craft item as well. So the first kit here that I got is everything that you need for making seals, but it's, oh, I think I messed up the, because I kind of glimpsed before, so kind of mixed up the things. But you've got this here, which is a little burner with the little candles, and then you've got two beautiful jars of wax, and then you have, for the tools, you've got a little super adorable little spoon to mix. Then you have this, which is what you would use to spread for your seal. But this kit here came with these pens that you use to color on top of the image of your seal. So I thought that was super clever, and I'm looking forward to trying that because I've never done that. So I'm very much looking forward to that. And they have tons of different kits. So if you're not equipped already and you don't have all the stuff that you need to do this, they have all these kits that you can purchase. And so with that, you can actually go and make beautiful things. So this kit here came with these beautiful beads, the wax, the little spoon, and then check this one out. It's just so pretty. It's a little bunny rabbit. Isn't it cute? I just thought it was precious. So I can't wait to try it out. I want to make some seals that I can then use in other type of projects, not just for letter writing. Because most of the time when I write a letter, or I want to prepare them in advance so that I can use the seal after, like put some glue and stick it on. Because when I write a letter, I don't necessarily want to run to my studio and make the prepare the seal. I could have, but you know, most of the time I know myself, and I know that a lot of the letters that I write is during lunch at work. So I obviously don't have this kit with me, and it would not be something, I can't bring candles and burn stuff at the office. So that would not be convenient. But yeah, so all the links to these two products will be in the description box below, as well as a discount code. So go and check them out. You won't be disappointed. I'm thinking this would make, I mean, I know we shouldn't talk about Christmas right away because Halloween hasn't passed, and so on and so forth, and not even the Labor Day weekend, but Christmas is just around the corner. So if you need gifts for somebody and you know that they love to write letters or send cards or that sort of thing, or craft and include that sort of element, then this would make an amazing gift, because they have, as I said, beautiful kits that have everything that you need inside them. So you don't have to look for the parts individually. You can just get the kits. And they also have a ton of seals like this, like the stamps set. Oh my god, so many, and it's really gorgeous things. So go and check them out and let me know what you think, and we shall be making something soon. Love you guys so much. Bye.